guys. Look what we got today. That's what we're doing. Haha. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, God. That's the worst part. I'm going to do the other side. I'm changing camera angles because, it's just complicated to do it. Let's just do it this way. Alright. This is, yellow. Alright. Oh my lord. Wonder why there's that trainer there. So we got this big, like, card thing. I'm not really sure. Wait, where'd the other one go? It's supposed to be 4. Let's just sleeve them up first. Oh. Yeah, they can fit into a sleeve. Alright, let me just sleeve these up real quick, guys, and we'll get straight into pack opening. Oh, there's the other card. Right here, being sneaky behind the code card. Well, here's the code card, if you guys want it. No. Who cares? Alright, just leaving these up, and we'll be good to go. Pretty chill week, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and get the pack opening. Oh, a big card. I almost forgot about you. The big card. It's like the full-size card of the little ones. So, just put that right. There's 4 of the Celebrations packs. I like to save this for last because I get the best pulls. So we're gonna open up these 2 first. I'm gonna do battle styles. Man, I'm tired. I want to film in this a little late, but who cares? Oh, okay, got that. That's kind of nice. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, got a lightning energy. How am I supposed to? Alright, let's just do it this way. I freaking pulled the back card. What? Okay. Oh, yeah. I hope I get a pull. I'm still gonna show you guys the cards, though, because, gotta do that, right? Just because, I mean, that was kind of dumb of me, but I'll still show you guys all the cards. Alright, got the V. Whatever. It's not the greatest, but it's better than just a regular rare. I mean, Barton displays. Hopefully we can get the Charizard. That would be insane if we get the Charizard. I've never pulled a Charizard VMAX before, so that'll be pretty nice. Oh, a little different with the code card. And of course, green. There's that code card if you guys want it. I don't know what that energy is called. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. I didn't see it either, so we're gonna explore. Let's go. Got the reverse. Hey, hello, not too bad. All right, now it's the best part. Now, oh my god, we're doing these, the best of the best. So, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and open up this one. I don't know what I could get out of these, but there's only 4 cards in them, which I bet you guys know already. But for the people that don't know, there's 4 cards in each pack of the Celebrations. 10 cards in the original. And you always get a green. Good card. Let's not mess it up this time. What are we gonna get? Oh, there's something. Professor's Research. I have 3 of these now. Jeez, how many am I gonna get? Legit. Oh. Alright, let me just... let's see. I've already pulled the Charizard, but I didn't do that on camera because I forgot to film it. Sorry. But don't hate on me. Filming in my room right now. It's kind of small, but I'm moving, so that's nice. Alright. Nothing in that one. Why? Why am I getting so many of these cards? Jeez. So annoying. I mean, they're okay, but I would just like to get something different at least. Alright, it's our final pack. Hopefully we get some magic out of this one. And not just a Professor's Research. You know. It's pretty cool. Nice. Oh, wow, 2008. It says it down there, but yeah, can't really see it. Huh, I don't think I've ever pulled this card. Then we got the OG kind of Pikachu. So, yeah, well, see you guys later. Peace.